Nobody can cross it. It's only fisherman and a fisherwoman. Trust me, nobody can cross it. It's only who can manage the water. It's only so them come over. Or if we around to help them.
Not all the vehicles
Can cross it.
this vehicle
Can cross it. We lock away in the wilderness. Nobody cross it.
Cross.
Yesterday, the bus was coming from town. A bus to the people. Just the mercy of God. Why the bus don't go over? The bus can't swim.
The bus can swim.
Bus can swim.
Believe it or not,
The bus can't swim. Yesterday, the bus was coming from town. The bus can't cross it. The last time, hurricane, dead up to bury up the top.
Nobody know for walk.
The bus can't swim.
Nobody know for walk.
The bus can't cross it. Nobody can cross it. The only who can understand it. Cross it. Nobody can cross it. It's only fisherman and a fisherwoman. Trust me. Nobody can cross it. The only who can manage the water. It's only so them come over. Or if we around to help them.
I'm very concerned. Very concerned.
Because nobody can cross it. Not even the kids them can go to school. Trust me. Because nobody can cross it. Fisherman and a fisherwoman.